Your job is to report the news, not be the news.
I was promoting the paper.
You're promoting Zoe Barnes.
But he wants to talk about women in science. You're a woman. You're in science. You go, girl.
I'm all for promoting women in science, but I don't really want to be on Will's show.
Not be the news.
I was promoting the paper.
You're promoting Zoe Barnes.
Is this about how I said we called you the hammer?
Clase. But the fact that these members of Congress are promoting pouring money out of the country while neglecting their teachers at home is precisely the problem.
But this is private money, not public tax dollars, so...
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word promoting. It means to help or encourage to exist or flourish, further, to promote world peace. Also means to advance in rank, dignity, position, etc. opposed to demote. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce promoting, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to pro. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how promoting is used in real life.
In exchange for promoting La Bonne Nuit, I'm offering you...
I was promoting the paper.
You're promoting.
If that lazy fat fucker spent less time dreaming about Hollywood and more time...
You're promoting Zoe Barnes.
But the fact that these members of Congress are promoting...
Go, girl.
I'm all for...
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.